Now we'll get on to see what is double displacement. Double displacement is when there is an exchange of ions. Exchange of ions. Now look up here, we have sodium sulfate. This is sodium sulfate and it is in solid aqueous form. It is then mixed with barium chloride. This is also in aqueous form, dissolved in water, and when it is mixed, you suddenly get an insoluble precipitate. You get barium sulfate. It is in the earlier video that I have sent you, and you get sodium chloride. So if you notice very carefully, this was our sodium sulfate. This was our barium chloride. Then what happened? Then this we got barium sulfate. Have you seen they have exchanged their places? And here we got sodium chloride. This is what happened. It was first blue with the yellow. Then we got here green with the yellow. And we had green with the red. And here we got blue with the red. So here this has taken this place. This has gone up with this. I'll just do it again. That was wrong what I did earlier. You have seen this sodium has taken up with chlorine and we got sodium chloride, and the barium took up sulfate and we got barium sulfate. Now this barium sulfate is insoluble. It does not dissolve. So it's very thick and it settles down. Such a thing is called a precipitate. It's insoluble, and hence the reaction is also called precipitation reaction. A precipitation reaction is a reaction where there is a formation of a precipitate. It's called a precipitation reaction. We'll take a look at another precipitation reaction. Here we have lead nitrate, and this lead nitrate we mix it with potassium iodide, and when we mix it with a potassium iodide we get a yellow precipitate. Precipitate is denoted like this. We get a yellow precipitate of lead iodide, and we get potassium nitrate. Here also, if you notice, there has been an exchange of gases. Here the valence will be 2 here and 2 here. Here too there is an exchange of ions. Let's look up at the exchange of ion. Here we had lead nitrate, which was 2. We had potassium iodide. Now here we have lead iodide and potassium nitrate. The lead has taken up with iodine and the potassium has exchanged with nitrate to give you here lead iodide, which is a yellow precipitate, PPT, plus this. This is your reaction. So this was double displacement where there is an exchange of ions.